Are your plants looking a little sick? Yellowing leaves, strange spots, or unexpected wilting can all be signs that your green friends are battling a common plant disease. But the good news is, you don't need to be a botanist to fix it. Let's walk through how to identify and treat the most common plant diseases right at home. First up, powdery mildew. This looks like a white or gray powder sprinkled across your leaves. It thrives in warm, dry environments and spreads quickly. To treat it, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of liquid soap, and a liter of water. Spray this solution on the leaves weekly until the mildew disappears. And remember to improve airflow by spacing your plants out and trimming any crowded growth. Next is root rot, one of the most common and deadly plant problems, especially for indoor plants. Root rot happens when your soil stays too wet for too long. The roots turn mushy and brown, and the plant starts to droop. The fix? Remove the plant from the pot, cut off any soft, blackened roots, and replant it in fresh, well-draining soil. Always make sure your pot has drainage holes and avoid overwatering. Now let's talk about leaf spot. These show up as brown, black, or yellow rings on your plant's leaves. It's usually caused by a fungus or bacteria, especially in humid conditions. To treat it, remove the affected leaves and avoid watering from above. A neem oil spray works great as a natural antifungal and antibacterial treatment. Another sneaky disease is botrytis, or gray mold. It often appears on flowers, leaves, and stems as a fuzzy, gray coating, especially in cool, damp environments. Prune any infected areas, increase airflow, and avoid water sitting on the leaves. A copper-based fungicide or neem oil can help clear it up. Finally, don't forget that prevention is key. Always use clean gardening tools, give your plants the right amount of light, and avoid overcrowding. Keep an eye on soil moisture and water early in the day so your plants dry off by nightfall. Healthy plants are naturally more resistant to disease.